As we all know, in the progress of engineering, the role of computers has increased in the engineering systems design, production, and operation. We know there are CAD systems, there are CAM systems, there is computer aided quality systems, computer aided warehousing systems, and we had computer integrated manufacturing. Computer aids to industrial engineering also came into existence, but it did not evolve into computer aided industrial engineering. There are many textbooks on computer integrated manufacturing, but they do not discuss computer aided industrial engineering. Today, with the available softwares in manufacturing, it is possible to conceptualize computer aided industrial engineering.